सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Aniket Anand. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our nation. India got its constitution on 26 January 1950. India got its independence from British rule on 15th August 1947, but the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. We all know that Republic means that the citizens of that country have the supreme power to elect the representatives. Constitution gives all of us the same right despite any religion, culture, language or caste. In past 73 years, India has gone through many changes. The command of the country came into the hand of many political parties and India became a socialistic and democratic country. With lots of development, there are some pitfalls in our way. Gender discrimination has not erased yet. Unemployment and corruption has grown on a large rate. We take pledge to find the solution to this problem and make our country the best place to live on the earth. The freedom fighters have done a lot of struggles and also sacrificed their life to defend our country. Such some popular freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, लाला लाजपत राय, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, भगत सिंह, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, and many more freedom fighters. Now it's our duty to take our country to another stage. Now come forward and treat our head to respect their soul on this 73rd Republic Day. Thank you.
से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरी वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Srishti of class 7B. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on Republic Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This year, we are celebrating our 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January. It is a national festival of India. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. We should always respect our constitution. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love and unity. This is a day to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence and created our republic. The constitution is the supreme law of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian constitution. Our constitution gives us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, equality, religion and more, as well as our fundamental duties. Republic Day is important to us as Independence Day. Today we are living in a great republic country. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital New Delhi at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. The Delhi Republic Day Parade is organized by the Ministry of Defence. The President of India, who is Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the national salute, which is followed by the playing of the Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, by the army. On the eve of Republic Day, the President of India distributes Padma Awards to the brave soldiers and Indian people every year. On this day, our Indian flag is hoisted by President in Delhi. Republic Day is celebrated with great joy in schools, colleges, offices, etc. National anthem Jana Gana Mana